Hello dear viewers, welcome. Today I want to show you how to design pile foundation using design spreadsheets, free design spreadsheets from Concrete and Innovation Design, that is CID. So as you can see the way this looks like, you can change your concrete grade here. So maybe I can use 25. You can change your pile capacity here, your cover, you or inside the bottom cover you can just use 50. See if you can see the design is still valid, and this one is for double piles as this drawing indicates here. So you will add your axial load, your imposed load, and your wind load here, and you can see the reinforcement you can change. I think you can, this one is automatically generated, and the calculations, then you can print here, you can sum, you can detail. So you can change the pile cap, the dimension of the pile cap, that is the A, the B, as you can see here, and then C, and the depth. So if you want to use three caps, you will just need to come here and put your data. 4 caps, you will just need to come here, add in your data. So you can see this one is failing. Let's see the 3 caps. The 3 caps is valid design. 4 caps is failing. So here I will just need maybe to increase the depth to 500. So you can see now the design is valid. Now the design has passed. If you want to use 5 caps, 6 caps, so you can design up to 6 caps, and then you can print your result. You can either print summary or detail. You can see the schedule and the drawings here. If you want to download these design spreadsheets, so if you need to enable editing, never forget that it's very important for you to enable editing, and I'm sure I've demonstrated this already in other design spreadsheets. So you can just learn how to use these free design spreadsheets. So here is my link where I will include in my description where you can download these spreadsheets just right here. So you can see this one, you can see this RCC. So if you open this, you will see a link where you can download this RA, where you will be having your CID file caps Excel just here, and you can now be able to design your pile foundation in RCC in design spreadsheets, that is Excel. So if you like this video, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in more video like this. Thank you.